forgot to mention that I'm wearing my moccasins, which are leather soled. There's no insulating insole in there, and this is the best time to be wearing these because the ground is moist, and as you know, water conducts, and the Earth's energy field is negative and everything above it is positive. So are we if we are insulated from the Earth. So connecting with the Earth allows us to just discharge and really recharge, if you like, with the Earth's energy. I know it sounds very esoteric, but it is actually, I believe it's been scientifically proven, and earthing has incredible benefits for resolving inflammation in the body. I just noticed this spider web right at the entrance here. So I'm not going to walk through it if I can help it. Maybe just duck underneath. This is not the most ancient of forests. This used to be farmland, so it's quite a young forest. Oh, here's another spider web at my eye level. Here's a spider too. Can you see it? Hard to focus. So I'm going to keep walking down this trail and come back on when we get to a stream. I changed my mind. Give you an idea of where I'm walking. It's a squirrel. Hey, squirrely squirrel. One day I'll have a microphone that records all the sounds I'm hearing. Here we come to a spot just past the stream where suddenly the nature of the forest changes. It's a little bit like entering a different room. There's more foliage here, it's more tall and open. And wow, I haven't been here in a while, but that stream that's been running for months, even throughout the winter, has dried up. This is why the rain is so welcome. Hopefully we'll have more of it, because we are, believe it or not, in a drought. A lot of the rivers are running very low. Just going to walk a little bit into this other room in the forest, allowing the light, the change in light, to come into my perception. Some houses down there not too far away, my neighbors, and yet we are fully immersed here. Walking to where my winter sit spot is, which is now completely different. Lots of ferns, lots of greenery. Almost unrecognizable. Wow. So here we are. Hope you enjoyed your walk with me. Take care. Hopefully see you soon.